Welcome to COCO English Studio.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the COCO English Studio. I am Jolie.
And I am Nathan. Hello. Hello to our amazing COCO family. We are so happy to see you again.
Today, we have a very important topic. We're talking about a healthy lifestyle.
Yes, it is a big topic, but we will make it simple. Oh, and before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us grow. Thank you so much. Now, Nathan, I have a question. Is it easy for you to be healthy?
Honestly, no. It is very difficult. I love cookies. I love sitting on the sofa. Being healthy is hard work.
I understand. I think many people feel the same.
Really? Even you, Jolie? You always look so calm and healthy.
Thank you, Nathan. But I have bad habits too. Sometimes I stay up late watching movies.
Oh, not the perfect Jolie.
Yes, it's true. But I try to have small habits. They changed my life. For example, I drink more water now. I drink a big glass of water every morning.
Wait, what? Just water? No coffee first?
No coffee first, just water. It helps my body wake up.
I should try that. I usually grab a soda. That is probably bad, right?
Well, soda has a lot of sugar. It gives you energy for 10 minutes, then you feel tired.
That is exactly how I feel. I feel like a balloon with no air.
Try drinking water for 1 week. Just try it. You will feel different.
Okay, I promise. 1 week of water. You are doing great, Nathan. See? I am encouraging myself.
Good job. Another habit I have is a balanced diet. I try to eat many different colors.
Colors? Like blue candy?
No, like green broccoli, red apples, and orange carrots.
Oh, I see. Vegetables. I try to eat them, but sometimes junk food is so easy.
Why is junk food so addictive, Nathan?
Because it is fast, and it tastes very strong. But then my stomach feels heavy.
I agree. But I have a question for you. Some people say healthy food is expensive. Do you think that is true?
Yes, I think so. A salad at a restaurant is $10, but a burger is only $3.
I disagree, Nathan.
Really? Why?
If you go to the market and buy rice, beans, and local vegetables, it is very cheap. It is cheaper than junk food.
Maybe you are right. I just need to learn how to cook.
Exactly. Cooking at home is a great healthy habit.
Okay, let's talk about exercise. Jolie, do you go to the gym?
No, I don't. I think the gym is a bit scary. Everyone is so strong.
Me too. I feel like a small potato in the gym.
A small potato? That's funny.
But I tried something last week. I tried working out for 7 days at home.
7 days? Wow, what happened?
On day 1, I was very excited. On day 2, my legs were very sore. On day 3, I cried a little bit.
Oh no. Did you finish the 7 days?
I did. And you know what? I feel stronger. I didn't need a gym. I just used a mat in my living room.
That is wonderful. You don't need a gym to be fit. You can just dance in your kitchen.
I do that too. But please, don't tell anyone.
Your secret is safe with the COCO family.
Let's talk about sleep. This is my worst habit. I am a night owl.
A night owl? That means you stay awake very late, right?
Yes, I look at my phone, I scroll and scroll. Suddenly, it is 2 o'clock in the morning.
That is very common. Many people have social media addiction.
It is a real problem. My eyes feel tired and my brain is overthinking at night.
When you overthink, do you feel stressed?
Yes, I think about work, I think about English, I think about everything.
I have a tip for you. Put your phone in a different room before you sleep.
Wait, no phone? No way. What if someone calls me?
Nathan, it's 2 a.m. Who is calling you?
Maybe a ghost?
Very funny. But really, try to get enough sleep. Your mind needs to rest.
You are right. Sleep is like a battery charger for humans.
That is a great way to say it. When we sleep, we reduce stress.
I also like to take breaks during the day. If I work for 1 hour, I sit quietly for 5 minutes.
That is very important for mental health. Taking a break is not being lazy, it is being smart.
Taking a break is important. I like that sentence. It makes me feel better about my naps.
Naps are okay too, as long as you also move your body.
So we talked about many things: food, water, exercise, and sleep.
And mental health. Don't forget to be kind to yourself.
Yes, don't worry if you fail. I failed my no sugar challenge after only 2 hours.
2 hours? Nathan!
I saw a donut, Jolie. It was calling my name. Nathan, eat me.
It is okay. Tomorrow is a new day. You can try again.
Thanks, Jolie. You were so encouraging.
Well, we are almost at the end of our chat. Let's look at 3 important phrases from today.
Number 1. I try to sleep early. This is a good goal for everyone.
Number 2. I avoid junk food. This means you try not to eat things like chips or candy.
And number 3. Stay hydrated. This means drink enough water.
Great phrases. Use them in your daily life.
Now it's time for our community question. We want to know about you.
Our question is, what is one healthy habit you have?
Or, if you want, tell us, is it hard for you to keep a routine?
Write your answer in the comments below. We promise to read them.
Thank you for learning with us today. You are doing a fantastic job with your English.
Yes, keep practicing. We are very proud of you.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay healthy.